This claw, it pinched, it squeezed, and it didn't let go. Meet Microraptor, a feathered glider that ruled the forest canopies of early Cretaceous China. Imagine a world where small is mighty. Microraptor was no bigger than a chicken, but was a formidable predator. This feathered dinosaur had 4 wings, which allowed it to glide through the trees with agility and grace. Its sharp claws were perfectly adapted for gripping branches and hunting prey, making it a terror in its forest ecosystem. So here's the deal. Microraptor was no passive forest dweller. It had to be an agile hunter, because why else would it have such wicked claws and elongated flight feathers? Those feathers weren't just for show. They helped it sneak up on prey and pounce with deadly precision. And its long tail acted like a rudder, guiding it through tight spaces in the canopy as it maneuvered among trees. Now picture this. Microraptor dives down from above, talons outstretched. It's after something small, maybe a lizard or bird, and it doesn't miss. Its claws sink into the prey, securing its hold. No escape route here. The forest canopy is too dense for a quick getaway. But wait, there's more. This wasn't just about its body parts. Microraptor's brain was uniquely adapted compared to other early birds and non-avian dinosaurs of its time. It had a larger optic lobe for enhanced vision and a well-developed cerebellum that aided in balance and agility during flight through dense forests. So not only did it look fierce, but it also thought fast on the fly. You need to hear this. Microraptor wasn't just any little raptor. It was the first known bird-like dinosaur with 4 wings, adapted for gliding and perhaps even flapping flight. And here's the kicker. It could glide more gracefully than many modern birds can fly today. Can you imagine how that would have looked? A feathered dino soaring through prehistoric forests like it owns them. But then, everything scientists thought they knew about feathered dinosaurs took an unexpected turn. They discovered Microraptor had not just feathers, but also scales on its legs, challenging our understanding of feather evolution in theropods. It was like finding out your pet parrot could suddenly grow fur. This discovery revealed the complex and varied evolutionary history of these prehistoric creatures. And here's the part that breaks me. Think about what it would be like to face this thing in a forest full of predators. You'd be looking up, not down, at a creature ready to pounce from above. It wasn't just scary, it was smart and strategic. Microraptor hunted smarter than any other raptor its size, using its feathered wings to glide through the trees and ambush prey with precision. But that's not even the strangest thing. Hold onto your hats because here comes the twist. Microraptor might have been an omnivore, eating anything from insects to small vertebrates. Its sharp teeth were perfect for tearing meat, but it also likely scavenged and consumed a variety of plant material. So it wasn't just a hunter, it was an opportunistic feeder. Now imagine you're in that forest, hearing rustling above your head. Suddenly, those agile limbs and sharp claws come into view. Velociraptor, a swift hunter of the Cretaceous period in Asia. You'd be thinking, what the heck is this thing? It's like nature's thriller playing out in real time, with Velociraptor using its keen senses and stealth to track prey through the underbrush. And then, this changes everything. Scientists found fossilized stomach contents of Microraptor, revealing it had eaten fish. These weren't just any fish, but ones that lived near water bodies. So here we have a forest dweller hunting on land, and suddenly diving into rivers for its meal. It's like the ultimate multitasker in survival mode, highlighting how versatile and adaptable these small raptors were. So, let's be honest, how did this little dinosaur pull off all these tricks? The answer lies in its unique body structure. Those long tail feathers were essential for balance and maneuverability during quick turns and chases. Its curved teeth were perfectly designed to hold onto struggling prey while it fed. And those legs, covered in scales and feathers, gave it the dexterity to climb trees and navigate through dense forest canopies with ease. Now picture this. Microraptor swoops down from a tree, landing in a stream to grab a fish. It clings to slippery rocks as it feeds, demonstrating the versatility of its feathered body and 4-winged design. No matter where it went or what it ate, Microraptor adapted like no other early bird ancestor before it, thriving in the forests of Cretaceous China. Here's the part that gets me. This tiny terror wasn't just surviving, it was thriving. Despite coexisting with formidable contemporaries like Deinonychus in Asia during the early Cretaceous, tilde 145 to 120 MYA, Microraptor found its niche and dominated it with sheer agility and cunning. But then, this is where things get eerie. Microraptor vanished from Earth around 120 million years ago. We don't know exactly why or how, but we do know it left behind a legacy of mystery. Every new discovery about this feathered dinosaur raises more questions than answers. Why did it evolve those four wings? What made its diet so diverse, including both plants and small animals? How did it manage to thrive in an ecosystem with larger predators around? Now, imagine yourself walking through an ancient forest. Suddenly, you hear the rustle of leaves and the flutter of wings above. Look up and there it's Microraptor, swooping down with its feathered wings and sharp claws glinting in the sunlight. It's a stark reminder that even the smallest creatures can be formidable predators. Here's another gut punch. Even though it was small, Microraptor had more feathers per unit area than any other known dinosaur, making it a remarkable avian-like creature. Imagine being covered head to toe with intricate feather patterns designed for flight and display. This wasn't just about survival, it was about looking good while surviving. And then, this is a shocker. Scientists discovered that Microraptor might have used its wings not only for gliding, but also for parachuting down from high places. Can you picture the scene? A feathered dino jumping off a tree branch, spreading its four wings to slow its descent and land softly on the ground. This adaptation would have helped it navigate dense forest canopies with ease. But here's what really makes your jaw drop. This creature was so well adapted that it could have used its tail for precise aerial maneuvers. As it glided through the trees, those long feathers would have spread out, creating drag to control speed and direction. It wasn't just a matter of flying. It was about precision maneuvering, making it one of the most agile avian predators of its time. Now, here's something mind-blowing. Microraptor likely had iridescent feathers too. These weren't your typical brown or gray plumage. Instead, they were colorful, shimmering feathers that would have caught the light in stunning ways. Imagine walking through a Cretaceous forest and seeing these creatures with their bright, eye-catching feathers fluttering among the trees. But then, think about this. Microraptor wasn't just gliding around during the day. Scientists found evidence suggesting it might have been nocturnal too. That's right, this little terror could be prowling your nighttime forests, hunting in the dark while you slept, adding a chilling twist to our understanding of its behavior and ecological niche. Now picture this. Microraptor hunting in the dead of night, its eyes wide open and scanning for movement. Its feathers ruffling softly as it glides through the darkness. Thanks to adaptations like flight feathers on both legs and arms, making it a master of maneuverability in the ancient forests of early Cretaceous China. And here's where things get even more intriguing. Scientists found evidence suggesting Microraptor might have used its long tail for display during mating rituals. Think about it, a small dinosaur with flashy feathers and sharp claws performing an elaborate dance to attract a mate. It's like nature's own vibrant courtship spectacle. But then, this is the part that makes you pause. Microraptor was also capable of gliding great distances, covering miles in search of prey or new territories. Imagine this little terror soaring through the night sky. Its four wings slicing through the air as it travels from one forest to another. It wasn't just about survival. It was about exploration and expansion. Now, let's circle back to that first moment. You're walking in a forest, and suddenly those sharp claws come down. But then, this is where everything comes full circle. You realize Microraptor wasn't just a predator. It was an explorer, a survivor, and a marvel of evolution. It lived during the early Cretaceous period, around 120 million years ago, in what is now northeastern China, a time when the world needed creatures that could adapt quickly to changing environments. So imagine this. You're in a dense forest with towering trees overhead, leaves rustling around you. Suddenly, Microraptor swoops into view, its feathered body and 4 wings catching the sunlight as it glides past. You can feel the wind from its passing as it continues on its way, exploring new territories and hunting small prey like birds and mammals in the underbrush. And then, this is the part that changes how you think about Microraptor forever. It's not just a relic of the past, but a reminder of what nature can do when pushed to extremes. This small yet formidable creature was incredibly adaptable, far exceeding our initial expectations. When you look at those feathers and sharp claws, you see not just a dinosaur, but an incredible story of survival and evolution in the early Cretaceous forests of China. Subject: the tiny terror that haunted forests. Think about that claw. Think about being pinned by something so tiny, yet so powerful. Microraptor was not just a predator. It was nature's ultimate survivor, thriving in a world dominated by feathered theropods where size didn't always confer an advantage. So remember, the next time you walk through a forest and see shadows moving above your head, there's a chance, no matter how small, that history might be repeating itself. Imagine finding Microraptor fossils alongside those of other early Cretaceous dinosaurs like Sinosauropteryx or Eudorannus. You'd think, how could this little guy compete? But here's the kicker. Microraptor wasn't just surviving, it was thriving in its ecosystem as a skilled hunter and glider. Subject: the tiny terror that haunted forests. Its feathers weren't just for show. They were key to its hunting strategy and flight capabilities. Microraptor could glide through dense forests with ease thanks to the wing-like structures on both its arms and legs, making it an agile predator that could pick off prey from above or below. It was like a flying assassin, striking when you least expected it. And don't forget those teeth. Tiny but sharp as needles, perfect for gripping small animals. Think of it chasing down birds in the canopy, using its speed and agility to outmaneuver competitors. Microraptor showed that size isn't everything. Brains and brawn often win the day. So next time you're hiking in a forest, look up into the trees. That rustle or flutter could be more than just a bird. It might be the descendants of Microraptor gliding by, their feathered forms evoking ancient skies filled with theropod dinosaurs.